Greetings from Engramium Plus. We specialize in web development, intelligent customization, dependable support, and scalable app development SaaS solution. Build better, customize smarter, and optimize faster. Now that you know who we are, let's focus on today's topic. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a child theme in WordPress without using any plugin. Now, if you are planning to customize your WordPress website, creating a child theme is extremely important. And in today's video, I will explain why it matters and how you can create one step by step very easily. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to Engramium and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on more helpful WordPress and web development tutorials. So let's get started. Why do we need a child theme? If we customize our WordPress website by directly editing the parent theme files, our changes will only remain until the theme is updated. As soon as the parent theme receives an update, all our custom codes gets overwritten and all the customization we worked hard on is lost. That's why using a child theme is the best practice. When we add our custom code to a child theme, parent theme updates won't affect our changes. Our customization remains safe and intact, and there is absolutely no risk of losing work. So in today's video, we'll see how to create a child theme for any WordPress theme manually without using any plugin. So this is our local website. You can also call it a dev website. In here, as you can see, if we go to appearance, themes, you can see we are using Astra, we are using Pixelo, we are using 2025, whether you are using Divi theme or Elementor, any WordPress theme. The procedure will be the same. Let's go to the front end. So this is our website. Step 1, creating a child theme folder. First, we will go to WordPress theme directory. As I am currently using WordPress Studio, I will click on Finder. So this is the Finder. We'll go to WP Content, Themes. Currently, we are using Astra theme. First, we'll create a folder. Let's create a folder and we'll give a name Astra Child. Step number 2, create required files. Inside the Astra Child theme folder, we'll create 2 files. Let's create a files called, let's go to the service, create files. First, we will need functions.php. We'll rename this functions.php. Add, and we will create another file called style.css. Now our 2 files has been created. These 2 files are mandatory for a child theme. Step number 3, add a screenshot image. Next, we need to add a screenshot image. Why is this important? When you go to appearance themes, for example, in here, every theme shows an image preview. So for your child theme, you must add an image named screenshot. You can use any image you want. Please note that the spelling is exactly screenshot. Place this image inside your child theme folder and make sure the spelling is exactly screenshot. Now if we go in here, let's go back and go to Astra. We will copy this one and we'll paste it in here. You can use any image you want, but step number 4, add code to the functions.php. Now open the function.php file. This is the file, and we'll open this with the code editor. So we have opened the functions.php with the code editor. Now we will need to paste the required code that encodes the parent theme styles. Don't worry, I have added the code on the blog post in here, so you can easily copy and paste it. After pasting the code, we need to save the files. I will put this blog post link in the video description. So this is the code. Let's copy this one and paste it in here. Let's save. Step number 4 is done. Now step number 5. Now we need to add code to the style.css. Let's go back to the directory. This is the style.css. Let's open it with the code editor. So we have opened the style.css with the code editor. Now we will go back to the blog post, and here is the code for the style.css. We need to add the following header code at the top. So let's copy this one. For the blog post we have used the Pixelo theme, but for this one we are using Astra theme. So we will change the Pixelo to Astra. Theme URI will be okay. Child theme for Astra. Author is Aaron. Let's change our website author URL .com/Aaron. Template is Astra. Now save. The parent theme must be already installed in your WordPress website. In our case, Astra is already activated. For example, this one. Your all the custom CSS code will be in here, and your functions.php you can add all the functions. Now step number 6, we'll go to the dev website and reload this one, and we will see the Astra child. Before we see the front end with the Astra child, let's check the front end with the Astra parent theme. So as you can see, all are working fine. This is the sample page. Now we'll activate Astra child. So we have activated the Astra child theme. Now let's go to the website. This is the website, my account, sample page. All are working very fine. After activation, the child theme automatically inherits all the styles and functionality from the parent theme. When you refresh your website, you will see no visual changes. That's perfectly normal. Now, whenever you add custom CSS, PHP functions or template override, you can safely do it inside the child theme folder in here, and your changes will never be lost even after the update. So WordPressians, this is how you can create a WordPress child theme manually without using any plugin. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you like this video, like it, share it with others, comment below and let me know your thoughts. And if you haven't subscribed to Ngramium yet, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Happy coding!